Hello, my name is Anna Krista, and we are deepening into understanding how rainbow medicine works, how spiritual energy and just the ordinary human life can be reconciled to heal ourselves, our children, our life, our planet. Today's topic is God, transparency, and drugs. I want to say this quietly, not to explain, not to convince, just to let it be heard. I think there are only two things in life: numbers and images. Everything else is a commentary. Any moment of a human life can stop, not die, just pause. Like in Faust, when he said, "The moment you are beautiful, stop, stay." When a moment stops, what's inside it? Not words, not stories, only images and numbers, holding them in a relationship. Numbers don't speak, they hold. Distance, proportion, rhythm. They keep images from collapsing. That's what a field is. All life at once. When the still releases, everything moves again. Some things slowly, some things chirpy and joyfully, some things violently, some almost not at all. That's life. But the still was real. It came from somewhere deeper. Sometimes I feel like these stills are projections from eternity, as if everything could have already ended, and yet God keeps dreaming us, keeps seeing these fragile, transparent moments, holding them. In high school, my nickname was Transparent. I didn't choose it. It's strange. I feel like my design was there all along. It just took a whole lifetime to unwind into it. But my soul always knew. I think people don't do drugs because they are bad or weak or broken. I think they do drugs because connection is broken. The connective tissue of life itself, between images, between people, between body and source, body and God, the Creator. The images are still there. Their purity never disappears, but the fabric that connects them gets tangled, dense, dark. Images are like fire. They burn, they disappear, and they return like a phoenix. Numbers are different. They are structure. They can be earth, wood, fire, metal, water. And when metal and water are scrambled, nothing flows and nothing holds. That's addiction, not the absence of God, but broken connection. I wonder sometimes if being close to numbers and images is the closest touch to God. And maybe people reach for drugs because they don't know they can touch the same infinity by fully inhabiting their own human body, letting it swell, letting it breathe. I don't think God is far. I think God is transparent. And I think God is easier than drugs.